Welcome to Sheetal Ma'am ki class.
Welcome all of you. Today, a very important question, types of decomposition reactions, right? Now first, let us begin. What is decomposition? Let's revise once again. When a single reactant breaks down into two or more than two products, the type of reaction is decomposition. Now this breaking, right? Whenever you want to break a compound, you need to supply energy. So we can say it is endothermic reaction. Now what are the different forms of energy we can supply so that the compound will break down? Accordingly, the decomposition reactions can be categorized into three ways. First, when you supply heat energy and break a compound. Heat energy is supplied and a compound is decomposed. The term used is thermal decomposition. Thermal means heat energy. Now, to begin with the definition, when heat energy decomposes a compound, the compound or the type of reaction is thermal decomposition. One of the easiest examples of textbook which you can remember for this is the thermal decomposition of calcium carbonate. See, calcium carbonate, which is also called limestone, when it is heated, it will decompose into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Okay. After that, the second type of decomposition reaction is electrolytic decomposition. When we supply electrical energy to decompose a compound, the term used is electrolytic decomposition. One of the easiest example here is electrolytic decomposition of water. When we pass electricity through water, it decomposes into hydrogen and oxygen. Now the third type, photolytic decomposition. Photo is light. When light energy is used to decompose a compound, the type of decomposition is called photolytic. The best example you can give here is silver chloride, AgCl, or silver bromide. We know that we have already done earlier in activity 1.8. When this compound is exposed to sunlight, it decomposes into silver and chlorine. Done? Now, this is actually back exercise question number 12, right? Generally asked in school exams also and board exams also. Now, whenever this question is asked as 3-mark question in exam, see how are you going to write it. First, you will mention individually the names of all the three. That is, begin with thermal decomposition, give a definition. Heat energy is used to decompose the compound. Then give a balanced chemical equation. And once you give the equation, children, it's better if you explain this reaction in one statement. That is, calcium carbonate on being heated decomposes to form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. This first type is done. Leave a line, start with electrolytic decomposition, define reaction, and again explain this also, that is water on passing electricity decomposes to hydrogen and oxygen. And then finally the third type, photolytic, right, in which you will see first write the definition followed by the reaction, and the last statement should be silver chloride on being exposed to sunlight decomposes to form silver and chlorine. Properly write the definition, a balanced chemical equation, and explain the statement properly in order to get a proper score for this question. Thank you.